Hey, what's going on YouTube? Chris back with a video, not just any video, another exciting video, as you would expect. And this is the Essential phone, not just any Essential phone. And as you may have heard in recent news, they've released technically 4 new colors. Ocean Depth, they have a copper black, they have the gray, and then they also have a dedicated color for Amazon with Alexa built in. Here we have, without further ado, the Ocean Depth color. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. I've done unboxing before of the Essential phone back when it was first released, and so here, this was the color of choice for me, but of course that was never released until now. Let's go ahead and get this unboxed here. So first you get black accessories, whereas with the white, you get white accessories. With the Black Moon, you get black, and here with the Ocean Depth, you get black as well. Let's go ahead and get the phone out real quick. And here we are. Alright, let's see if I can kind of get the color kind of looking alright on here. The lighting, not the best, but I thought I'd want to show you all this Ocean Depth blue, green, teal type color. Let's go ahead and pull let's leave the front screen protector on for now. And then the copper here on the sides. The copper is really interesting, actually. So if you look at it head on this way, you can really tell the color. Once it goes off axis, it kind of changes color because of the reflection of whatever that you see. So kind of here, it kind of looks black, and then when you look on it straight on, you can see the copper color, and then you also have the copper ring around the fingerprint scanner, which the fingerprint scanner is also that same Ocean Depth color. But I must say that is stunning, very, very gorgeous. There's the buttons here. So technically, if this was real copper, as soon as you put your fingerprint on it, it would pretty much leave and tarnish the copper. But since this is pretty much kind of not necessarily a plating, but a certain type of process that they've done with the titanium, you're not going to get that issue. So thankfully enough, which I learned back in the day when I was building custom computers and water cooling with the copper water blocks for water cooling. Once you touch that copper, it pretty much tarnishes and leaves any sort of fingerprints, but not this. Very shiny, reflective, as you can see there. But this color is gorgeous. I thought it was going to be more blue, maybe a lighter color. This is more teal. There's definitely a lot more green than what I was expecting, to be honest. I was hoping maybe for a lighter blue, but this is definitely very, very nice. It's not as fingerprinty compared to black, but you definitely get a very unique color, that is for sure. So there you have it, guys. Beautiful, great hardware, it looks like. Copper is more kind of gold-like than copper, in my opinion, maybe. The back is still fingerprint prone, as you can see. Nothing as far as box presentation, things like that, all the same still. You still get the same screen. Specs are all the same. Them now having Oreo 8.1 beta out at the moment, which you can install on your phone. I've done several guides on how to install Oreo on your phone. Check those out if that is of interest to you guys. So yeah, so here's the Ocean Depth color. If you guys have any questions about it, let me know. I don't have the best lighting setup. I'll try and maybe do a follow-up video or something like that when I am able to bring that to you guys, but I wanted to show you just a first look of the Ocean Depth color and the copper frame that they have here. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all in the next video.